The biggest battle you'll ever fight is between your ears. David Goggins. Today, David is one of the toughest endurance athletes in the world, a retired Navy SEAL and a best-selling author. But his life wasn't always a highlight reel. David grew up in a household full of abuse and chaos, and by the time he was in his early 20s, he was severely overweight, nearly 300 pounds, working as an exterminator and drowning in self-doubt. He saw himself as a failure, someone destined to stay at the bottom of the ladder and invisible to the world. One day, David came home from a long, miserable day at work, sat down on the couch, and turned on the TV. What he saw changed everything. It was a documentary about the Navy SEAL training. These guys pushing themselves through the infamous Hell Week, freezing, exhausted, but refusing to quit. Watching it, something inside him clicked. He realized he wasn't living anywhere near his full potential, and for the first time he thought, what if I could be one of those guys? But here's the thing. David didn't believe he could do it at first. How could he? He was 297 pounds, scared of water, and had a lifetime of proof telling him he wasn't cut out for greatness. But here's the thing. He made the decision that night to change his beliefs and start acting like the man he wanted to become, not the man he thought he was. He failed repeatedly along the way. He had to lose over 100 pounds in 3 months just to qualify for SEAL training, and he barely made it. Then during Hell Week, he broke his legs and still found a way to keep going. Through sheer grit, David transformed his body, his mind, and his life. Today, David is a symbol of human resilience. When people ask him how he overcame his past, he says, "The biggest battle you'll ever fight is between your ears." Change your mindset and you can change your life.